Hello, everybody. Welcome to another lesson in macroeconomics. We're still looking at unemployment. Okay, the people who do not have jobs but are actively looking for jobs. Those are the unemployed people. So we've been given this information about country A. Okay, we've been told to calculate the adult population, the unemployment rate, the labor participation rate, and if 500 people quit looking for jobs, we have to calculate the new employment rate. So we're going to start. First, we'll calculate the adult population. Okay, so number one, adult population, as you can see, is going to include the employed, unemployed, and those who are not part of the labor force. This can also be like retirees, institutionalized people. So let's highlight for the adult population. I will highlight as yellow. So I'm going to say 800 plus 1200 plus 350. So the adult population is 2350. Okay, that's the adult population. Next, we're going to calculate the unemployment rate. The unemployment rate is the number of unemployed people over the labor force. Okay, so first, what's our labor force? Let me just put on the side. Our labor force includes the employed and unemployed. Okay, so this is going to be the employed is 800 plus the unemployed 1000, 2000. So our labor force is 2000 people. So now to get our unemployment rate, we're going to get the number of unemployed people. I'm going to say number of unemployed people 1200 divided by the labor force, get 0.6. Then we're going to multiply this by 100, okay, which will give us 60% of the unemployment rate, 60%. So we answered question 2 for unemployment rate. Let me just highlight the answers, make them bold. Okay, 60%. Okay, then the labor participation rate. The labor participation rate equals the labor force divided by the adult population. Okay, so we're going to say our adult population, what do you find as our, it was 2350. So first we're going to say our labor force, okay, which is 2000 divided by our adult population 2350, we get 0.851. We multiply it by 100. Okay, so this is going to be approximately 85%. So our labor participation rate is 85.106%. So we just roughly say 85%. Okay, question 4 says if 500 people quit looking for jobs, calculate the new unemployment rate. So 500 people have stopped looking for jobs. So we're going to deduct that from the unemployed, all right? We'll deduct that from the unemployed. So the new number of unemployed people is going to be, let's say, let me put it here, 500 left. So we're going to say 1200 minus 500. So after 500 left, the new number of unemployed people became 700. So now I have to calculate the unemployment rate. So for the unemployment rate, when get our unemployed people divided by their labor force. So the new number of unemployed people since 500 left is 700. Okay, 700 is our new number, divided by our labor force, which is 2000. Oh, no, hold on. Wait a minute. Since we're going to have a new labor force, okay, our labor force is going to be 800, okay, the employed people plus 700, right, the new number of unemployed people. So our new labor force is 1500. Okay, so now to calculate the unemployment rate, we're going to say 700 divided by 1500. Okay, it's going to be 0.46 multiplied by 100. That should give us approximately 46%. A 46.66%. So that's the new unemployment rate. So as we can see, after 500 people quit looking for jobs, the unemployment rate decreased. All right. So thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.